weirdest shit ever that you find just roaming around town. Apparently, there was an old railroad track in Grand Haven. I mean, I know about the bridge that's out that way. Probably nobody knows about, but I didn't know it ran through here like this. What the fuck? Used to cross the damn highway. I was just under a bridge. It looked like a nice fishing spot, too. Goes out that way. That was got me damn curious how the track used to run. Such a weird spot, too. It looks like it was paved over at one point. People didn't even notice it. It's all grown over in there. Ain't no more luck for cans at the moment. I figured there would be, because there's just tons of garbage out there. That's really interesting, though, about that railroad track. Alright, we're over by Home Depot. I'm gonna have to look that up. Old tracks of Grand Haven. What happened to those tracks? Pack of cigarettes. Man, it's starting to get dark. I'm gonna try to make it home. I'm gonna grab me a McChicken. But, God bless people. I go in there to get me a McChicken. Someone pays me for a $9 meal. Got me a Big Mac. And, fries. I was just trying to get 2 McChickens. Really, I was just trying to get one. And I was gonna go off, ring around town, collect cans, say hi to people, seeing how that goes. And look, those railroad tracks run behind all these. My bag, my fucking bag. Hold on. My bag's rubbing. Shit. My bag is rubbing. Seagulls are flying. I miss summer already. I definitely miss fishing. Oh, we're riding up. Here we go. Making it. Alright, guys, I'm gonna let you go. Maybe I'll figure out where these railroad tracks go. Tell you what's going on.